Hey everyone, this is Paola of PaolaPonceNails.com, your source for soft gel nail education. Today, I will be showing you how to shape fake nails coffin. Now, if you are watching this video, you are probably absolutely new at shaping coffin nails or have tried this shape and are struggling. Welcome! I must tell you that when this shape began trending on the gram, thanks to a set that Mrs. Kardashian wore back in 2015, I thought it would be easy peasy to recreate. Until the first time a client asked for it, I thought, no biggie, a super skinny square, I do for you. And I flopped. At best, my client got a tapered, rounded square nail shape, a shape that no one will probably ever ask you for, but if they ever do, call me. Everything else was fine, as you can see, the nail art, the smooth application, it was just the stinking coffin shape I could not nail down. And so I kept giving it a go again and once more and one more time before I realized, man, there is a real technique to this. So let me start there before I show you my way of shaping nails coffin. Technique. What should you be focusing on when executing frustration-free, on-point coffin nails? Here are some pointers. Number one, get a head start by clipping the sides of the free edge versus filing it. This is going to save you lots of time and also ensure evenness from the get-go. Number two, literally envision some points of reference when clipping or filing into coffin shape. And if you need to even physically dot that nail with polish or a marker so you don't lose track, do so. Number three, use a board file, which is a file with a board in between both filing sides that keeps the file from flexing. Avoid bendy flexing files or you will end up filing a groove into those sides, causing weakness in your structure and a real talon-like nail. Unless that's the look your client's going for, those clients do exist. Number four, work with fake tips to achieve the best looking coffin nail. As the longer the nail, the easiest it is to obtain a narrow nail without excessive filing on the sides. Number five, continuously use the client's view to ensure all of your nails match as far as angles and width of the coffin free edge is concerned. Number six, file the nails one last time to tidy that shape up just before finishing the set with top coat. This will ensure shape crispness all around. Alrighty, so watch me now apply all of these pointers in this client's service.